Sorry for the tight squeeze. Tell the commander her ace is in the hole.
Hey, check it out. No way. A Spartan?
For real. You better not be.
No, man, he's here. We're gonna be
Where
all
did you
right.
find him?
Napping, out back.
I'll bet. It's good to see you, Chief.
Likewise, ma'am.
Let's get you up to speed. The Prophet of Truth's ships breached the lunar perimeter, smashed what was left of the home fleet. Terrestrial casualties from the subsequent bombardment were extreme. Truth could have landed anywhere, but he committed all his forces here, East Africa, the ruins of New Mombasa. Then they started digging.
What about Halo?
We stopped it, but only temporarily. Now the Prophet of Truth is looking for something called the Ark, where he'll be able to fire all the Halo rings. If he succeeds, humanity, the Covenant, every sentient being in the galaxy.
The rings will kill us all.
Ma'am, I have Lord Hood.
Patch him through.
Good news, Commander Keyes?
Good as it gets, sir.
So I see. What's your status, son?
Green, sir.
Glad to hear it. Commander's come up with a good plan, but without you, I wasn't sure we could pull it off.
Truth's ships are clustered above the excavation site, and his infantry has deployed anti-aircraft batteries around the perimeter. But if we neutralize one of the batteries, punch a hole in Truth's defenses...
I'll initiate a low-level strike. Hit him right where it hurts. I only have a handful of ships, Master Chief. It's a big risk, but I'm confident.
Hell, not again.
Emergency generators, now!
Shielding failed. They're down and charging.
As soon as they're up, re-establish contact with Lord Hood. Let him know...
All of you vermin, cowering in the dirt, thinking, what, I wonder, that you might escape the coming fire? No, your world will burn until its surface is but glass, and not even your demon will live to creep, blackened from its hole to mar the reflection of our passage, the culmination of our journey. For your destruction is the will of the gods, and I am their instrument.
Cocky bastard just loves to run his mouth.
Does he usually mention me?
Give the order, we're closing shop.
Ma'am,
We're about to get hit.
all personnel.
The wounded.
Defense code Alpha
We're
1,
getting all of
prepare
them
for
out.
Immediate
I
evacuation.
have to carry him myself.
Ma'am, squad leaders are requesting a rally point. Where should they go?
To war.
We just lost the perimeter cameras.
Motion trackers?
They're down or we're not receiving. Can't tell.
Any of our birds squawking?
No, ma'am. Wait, Overwatch has contacts. Phantoms closing on our position.
Any birds less than 5 minutes out? Bring them in. Tell everything else to scatter.
Aye, aye.
Never thought we'd have this many wounded.
Pelicans are gonna take extra time to load.
We knew they'd find us eventually. But we have a plan. Let's make it happen.
Let's go! Arbiter and I will guard the op center. Don't worry about the commander, Chief. I got him. But the Marines downstairs could use your help.
Commander.
Chief, move out. The commander will brief you as you go.
sir.
Perimeter's this way.
Come on, sir. I'll show you the way. The base was built for some 20th century war. It's full of old tech, like these door controls.
Get those turrets up! Watch your fields of fire!
How'd they find us?
Probably just smelled you, man.
Bite me. Sick of hiding anyways.
of entry. Best assessment.
Hangar Sergeant.
Agreed. Master Chief, get there. We're with you, Chief.
Yeah, get some. Lead the way.
Chief? Good. This channel is secure. My fire teams are spread thin. We can't hold out forever. I need that hangar cleared for evac ASAP.
If those brutes secure the hangar, we won't be able to get our birds out. Stand firm! Look out! Grenade!
Even destroy him!
Ready? On my mark! Eat it! You Covenant scum! Now you've gone and done it!
Run for it!
Wipe those bastards off the deck! Coming at ya!
You're going down, big guy!
Phantom inbound! That's gonna leave a mark.
You're still whining about that.
Got reinforcements! Take it, baby! Drag out!
Come and get some! He is killing the hell out of those dudes! They go quicker that way, don't they? Hey, nice work.
Is it over?
Just making sure you got the message. I thought the brutes were tough.
It's over! We did it!
Chief, Op center, double time. The brutes are pressing hard. Yeah, and I don't like it.
Attention. Hostiles reported outside the barracks. Barracks are under attack. All available combat teams respond.
Following, sir!
Anyone in the barracks, I need a sit rep, now.
Sir, this way!
Look! Coming out of the vents!
Line them up! Line them up!
What the hell are these things, Sergeant?
Drones! The whole swarm! Take them down! Short control bursts!
That showed him!
Get your ass in here!
If I try to hook up a timer, it might go off by itself.
Johnson. You might want to put that out. Chief, have a look. A little going-away gift for the Covenant. We've linked it to smaller charges throughout the base. Johnson, soon as the evacuation is complete, start the timer.
Understood.
Good luck, everyone. See you on the last Pelican out.
Follow me, Chief.
Come on, guys!
Brutes have taken the barracks. Marines are trapped inside. Those apes ain't much for mercy, Chief. We both know what they do to prisoners. Get to the barracks. Save those men. Then escort them to the landing pad for evac.
A fresh scent must be close. Spread out! Travel down! Filthy demons! It's stuck!
called upon to serve.
Half-wit insect. The prophets use you like they used me. Reject their lies. Rebel, or all your hives will perish.
No! Please!
Too damn close. That freak is coming right at us!
Die, demon! Slipped into cover.
There you are, you slippery son.
I bleed. Give me some cover. You're spread out. I'll protect you, Dark Brother.
Everyone on there, cover the chief! Out of the way! Hell of a job! You got here just in the nick of time. Oh, you knocked his ass out!
This way.
I'm clear!
Did all we could. Let us move the survivors up to the hangar. There is a lift outside. The battle is over.
You know, that was a little disappointing. I really, really hate those hairballs.
Commander, we lost the ops center. Brutes attacked in force. Couldn't hold them off. We're falling back to the hangar. But don't wait for us.
What should I do, ma'am?
Hold position. I'm not leaving without you.
Ma'am, I've got movement above Ambler. Brutes. They've got jump pads.
Going after the thrusters. Shake them off, Lieutenant.
Open fire!
had him handled.
Oh my god, you killed him!
Drones, go! I'll cover you. Roots, in the ops center. They disarmed the bomb. Sorry, Commander, there were too many. Even for me.
Chief, get back to the ops center. Kill those brutes. Rearm the bomb. I've got to get these men out of here. But I'll radio with another exit. Good luck.
You will be the protectors of Earth and all her colonies.
Head through the motor pool to get to the ops center.
taken their command center.
Have you discovered how they plan to stop me?
Watch out! We have taken their command center.
Have you discovered how they plan to stop me?
Not as yet, noble prophet.
Find me what I need to know, or your place on the path is perfect.
That did it, Chief. Bombs armed.
We got your exit. A service elevator in the hangar. Head downstairs, cut through the caves.
There will be a great deal of hardship on the road ahead.
Run away! Save yourself!
You will become the best we can make you. This place will become your home. This place will become your tomb.